Welcome back. Let's talk about the best deals going on at Walgreens this week. I have tons of deals to tell you about, not just the ones you see here. And at the very end of the video, I will show you pictures of things that I found on clearance. I feel like I have a number of things to tell you. One of which, let's just start out by talking about promo codes you can use for online or curbside orders this week. The code FAST10, the code WAG10, the code SENIOR20. So I would try all of those codes if you're doing a curbside or online purchase. There's also a code MAR15, that's 15% off a $35 or more purchase, and MAR20, which is 20% off a $50 or more purchase. But honestly, the SENIOR20 code was working for me, and that took 20% off any of the, I believe it was the non-sale items is what I saw. So a lot of the deals that I'll tell you about today, if you're doing them curbside and you add one of those codes, it's going to be even better than what I have posted on the screen. Couple of super simple deals to tell you about that you could do curbside or you could do in-store. The nice toilet paper, a lot of you guys have said you like this. It's on sale for $1.99. The smaller water bottles that you see here, I'm not going to pick them up, also $1.99. So easy deals there, in-store again or curbside, whichever you choose. Now, a couple that you want to do in-store because they are register reward deals and freebies. So this Colgate Optic White is $4. There is a $2 digital. This Colgate Optic White is $4 and there's a $2 digital. You want to pick them both up. You'll pay $4 after those coupons and then you're going to get a $4 register reward back, making them both free. Now, in-store deal. Another deal you could do in-store is on the Crest and Oral-B products. The Crest is $3, the Oral-B is $3, so that's $6. There's a $1 digital on each of these, so that would drop your cost down to $4, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for both or just 50 cents each. I know a lot of us don't like to pay for oral care, but it's a great deal to add into a spend deal. So let's talk about that for a minute. This week, everyone should have gotten the spend 40, get $10 in Walgreens cash on baby items. Now, I don't need baby items, but I know a lot of people do need baby items. Now, there's also, for me, and you need to check your account, a spend 40, get $7 in Walgreens Cash Digital Booster. Now, I tend to notice these boosters come out Wednesday or Thursday of the current week, and those boosters are good for the following week. So when you see them in your account, or if you see them, clip them as soon as you do. That way they don't disappear on you. So, like I said, spend 40, get 10 on baby items only, and then spend 40, get 7 on any items. Those were the two digital boosters I had, and yes, they will stack together. So if you spend 40 on baby items, you're going to get the 10 and the 7. Now, that still didn't excite me because I don't need baby items, but when I went to do the Colgate deal, I got a paper booster that was also spend 40, get 7. So I did, in fact, combine all three of those boosters, the two digital boosters I told you about, as well as the paper booster, and I spent at least $40, and I got back $24 in Walgreens cash, combining all of them. I'm going to give you that scenario here in a minute, but I wanted to let you know that is possible. I guess that was all of the items that I bought other than the baby care. So let me share this one with you, and then I'm going to go through all of the other deals that I saw that I didn't do this week but might be of interest to you. So my baby care deal, I made this up on the fly because I was in the store when that paper booster printed. So I went to the baby aisle and I noticed quite a few things on clearance. This Ready Set food was marked down to $9.99. Now I always will double check the Ibotta app to see if there are any rebates, and this had a $5 rebate. I mentioned this one last week. This is $8.99 in store, or at least in my store. It could be higher or lower depending on what region you're in. There's a $5 rebate on Ibotta for this one as well. But there were diapers marked on clearance at my store. So these were $25.99 marked on clearance with a $5 digital coupon. So I picked up all three of these items. Okay, follow me here. $25.99, $5 digital coupon. $9.99 on clearance, $8.99 regular price. I paid $39.97 after that $5 digital came off. I got back $10 for spending $40. I got back $7 for spending $40 on the digital booster. I got back $7 for spending $40 on the paper boosters. That's $24 in Walgreens cash. Then I got back $5 on Ibotta for this and $5 on Ibotta for this, making it $5.97 for all three of these items when this box of diapers is $25 and change on clearance. So $6 for all of this stuff is an incredible price. So if you need baby items, baby gifts, you might want to check out some of the deals that are going on that baby aisle. If your store doesn't have these marked on clearance, you could always just nicely ask, hey, do you mind scanning this and telling me how much it's ringing up for? Because sometimes it will be on clearance. They just don't have it marked yet for other people to see. Okay, other deals you want to know about. The Arm & Hammer, the liquid, the pods, and then the crystals. They are buy one at $7.49, get two free. That makes three of them $7.49 or just $2.49 each. There is a deal on the Pepsi, A&W, and ginger ale sodas. They are four for $18.98. That makes them $4.74 per 12 pack. I think that's a good price. I don't buy soda a lot, so tell me in the comments if you think under $5 is a good stock up price for sodas. Now, the General Mills cereal are 3 for $7. There's a $1 digital that makes them 3 for $6 or just $2 per box. The Kellogg's cereal is a little bit better. The curbside price for me was cheaper than the in-store price. Curbside, it was showing the Frosted Flakes at 3 for $5.99. And then there was a rebate on Ibotta. So if you get three of them, you get $1.05 back on Ibotta, making it $4.94 for all three, or just $1.64 each. And there might be a bonus on that one as well, so you might get a little bit back there as well. The Cheez-Its are 3 for $5. There's a $1 digital that makes them 3 for $4, or just $1.33 each. Remember, if you're placing these for curbside, don't forget to try some of those promo codes that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. The cashew nuts are buy one, get one free at $4.99 each. So that makes them $4.99 for both, or just $2.49, $2.50 each. The Rice Krispie bars are 2 for $5. There's a $1 digital making them 2 for $4 or $2 per box. The Milkalicious chocolate bars, they are 2 for $2. Getting it back 80 cents on Ibotta, making it $1.20 for both, or just 60 cents each. Don't be freaked out. The Ibotta offer says 1.7 ounce or larger. For some reason on the Walgreens app, it doesn't show it at 1.7 or 1.4. I might be making up the number, but it actually is when you go to pick it up, because I have bought one before and it was that size and it counted for the Ibotta offer. The Pop-Tarts are 3 for $5. I had a $1 digital in my account, which made it 3 for $4 or just $1.33 each. The Nutri-Grain bars are 2 for $5, just a simple grocery deal. And then the Blue Diamond almonds are buy one, get one free at $5.99 each. So that makes it about $3 per can for those Blue Diamond almonds. So those are what I found to be the best deals this week. If you are finding other things, I would love for you to share with each other down in the comments. It wasn't a week that really excited me, and I feel like that's why it took me a little bit longer to get the video out today than normal, because I just kept scanning and looking for deals to show off for you, and not just the regular deals that you probably see from tons of other people. And then again, I did the baby deal in store kind of unexpectedly. Now, is there anything else I want to tell you? Next week, so what is that, March, today's the 3rd, so I think it's March 8th, whatever next Sunday is, no, March 10th. I won't be doing a video next Sunday because it starts my son's spring break on Friday, and I just have a lot planned for spring break, so I won't be doing a video next Sunday. So plan to see me the Sunday after that for the next Walgreens haul. One thing I wanted to talk about real quick is because I saw a lot of people join Rakuten last week, but not everyone did the spend 30, get 30. So if you signed up for Rakuten, make sure that when you go through the link, you actually do a deal of spending $30. That way you get the $30 back in your Rakuten account. Now I've had a couple of questions from last week, so I want to answer them. That spend $30, you have to spend $30 before taxes. Right? Your taxes can't get you to that $30 you need to spend. So you have to spend $30 before taxes, and your coupons don't count towards that $30 with Rakuten the way it does with a Walgreens spend deal. So if you're at $30 and you have a $5 digital, Rakuten's going to say, oh, they only spent $25 plus tax, right? So you want to spend at least $30 after your coupons for getting that $30 back from Rakuten. If you have any other questions, let me know. But if you are having trouble with that, that might have been why either you didn't spend $30 before taxes or you didn't spend $30 after your digital coupon. So you have to make sure both of those criteria are met to get that $30 back. If you don't know what I'm talking about, use the link down below. I'll pin it in the comments. But when you go through Rakuten and you join, which is free to join, it's never going to charge you anything. When you spend $30 the first time, you get $30 back. So it makes it a great deal. And if you're already doing a spend deal for Walgreens, it's kind of like double dipping. It makes it even better. All right, that's it. I hope you guys have a great week. And I'll see you in a couple weeks. Thanks.